Hey crew, what's going on? Right, for our workout today we have Cario. It is a 15-minute AMRAP of an ascending ladder. So I love this style of workout. I think it's a little crazy because it starts off so easy with small numbers and then they get bigger as we go. Right, so we're going to go with our equipment version today is 2 strict pull-ups. So if you have access to a pull-up bar, we're going to try for strict pull-ups. If you have that pull-up bar but you don't have your strict pull-up, as usual, you can change that up. If you've got bands, add bands and keep it strict. By all means, that would be your first scale. If you don't have access to bands but you can do kipping, right, then we'll switch that to kipping. Right? Next up on that list is a single arm dumbbell squat clean. Right? If you do not have the squat or your squat's not quite there, you could change that to a power clean today. It is the athlete's choice whether you want to switch arms every rep, right? Or do a couple on one side and then a couple on the other side. That is completely up to you. And then we're going to take that dumbbell, we're going to put it on the ground, and we're going to do dumbbell facing burpees. Right? So you do a burpee facing your dumbbell, and then you get up, you hop over your dumbbell, you turn around and face again, and then you come back. Right? And then next round is going to be the same movements, but you're going to add 2 reps. So you're going to go 4 pull-ups, 4 single arm dumbbell squat cleans, and 4 bar facing burpees. And then you're going to continue up that ladder by 2. So you're going to add 2 and go to 6, 2 and go to 8, 2 and go to 10, and keep climbing for that entire 15 minutes as far as you can get up that ladder, right? Have fun with that today, crew. It's a good one. Cheers. All right, crew, coming back at you for our no equipment version of this WOD today. We're going to go with the odd object, ground to shoulder, right? So whatever object you have, whether it be a jug of laundry soap, I saw that one show up today, which is awesome, or a backpack, a kid's backpack. They're not using them right now. If you fill that full of weight, as long as it's a solid enough backpack, then you should be able to take that backpack, touch it to the ground, right? Bring it up to your shoulder. Touch it to the ground, bring it up to your shoulder. It's like a power clean, just an odd object, right? For our next movement, we're going to take that odd object and do a goblet squat, right? So holding on to it as close, as tight to your body as you can, and you're just going to do a squat with that, right? Then we're going to put that odd object on the ground, right? And then we're going to do odd object facing burpees, right? So burpee facing that odd object, get up, jump or step depending on what your odd object is and how comfortable you are jumping over it. If you're not, step over it, turn around and do your facing burpee there, right? Have fun with it, guys. Cheers. All right, crew, for your strict pull-ups today, right? What we're trying to do, if you've got access to a bar and a band, right? The way to scale that, 1 foot in the band, the outside foot, tight like you're hollow. She's going to pull up so the shin's over the bar and lower back down under your shoulder, right? So easiest way to scale if you have access to that band is 1 foot in. It does not need to be 2. Never put 2 in, right? If you have to get that foot down in a hurry, you want one of them to be out. Right? Next up on that, we're going to go single arm, right? Single arms dumbbell squat clean. So she's going to pull up to the shoulder. She's going to go right down to the squat. Stand all the way up before that dumbbell comes off. Right? It is the athlete's choice today whether you want to alternate or you could stay on the same side. As long as that dumbbell touches the ground, you come up, you go through a full squat and a full stand. Right? That's your dumbbell squat clean. Right? For the odd object version, right? Whichever you want to use. If you had a gym bag, right, we're going to use a weight vest. But if you had a gym bag, it's basically a ground to shoulder or a power clean. Right? So she's going to grab that up onto the shoulder, back down to the ground. Right? That is your odd object ground to shoulder modification for that. Right? Easy peasy. Right? Then it goes to the ground. Right? And you've got the burpees. Right? So if you've got the dumbbell version, you're going to do a dumbbell facing burpee, which is simply a burpee. She's going to lay it all the way down to the ground, get her chest on the ground. She's going to come all the way up off the ground. And the jump is over the object ahead. Right? Whether that be the dumbbell or your odd object. right? The only thing that has to happen is she has to touch her chest. She's going to stand up, get over that odd object, right? Like I said, if that odd object isn't conducive to a jump, if it's too tall for you or you're not a great jumper, by all means, a safe step will get you there. And then you can just turn around, right? Set up for your next burpee. You can do it. I have faith. You can do it! Yeah! Have fun with it today, guys. Right? Oh, the odd object goblet squat. Right? Whatever object as close to your chest as possible. Right? You're going to do as deep a squat as you're comfortable with. If you need a target, as always, whether it be a chair, a bench, a stool, something that you have under your butt. If you have a wall ball, that would work great, right? Try to lower down under control and touch it, but don't sit on it. And then try to stand up, right? It's just a touch. Have a great day, guys. All right, guys, today for a warm-up, we're going to throw a little Roxanne at you, right? If you can Google the song on your phone, right, get the YouTube version of the video, that will still work. Just put it on the ground so you can listen to it. If you've never done Roxanne before, right, every time they say Roxanne in the video, right, you're going to be required to do a burpee. Burpee. Right, all the way down, all the way up, the jump hands over our head, right? You're going to hang out until the next time they say Roxanne. Roxanne. Every time you hear it, down to the ground, full burpee, full jump for the length of that song, right? I challenge you, if you have done Roxanne before, many times, or maybe you hate the sound of Roxanne, right? Search out AC/DC's Thunderstruck and try it to Thunderstruck. Every time they say thunder, burpee, right? If you haven't given that one a try yet, either one will work. It will get you nice and warm today. Cheers, guys.